So 65. Wow, 65. Grabe, lakas. So dito pa rin tayo sa Baras Rizal. NAMSA 2025. Wow, leading is Ethan Lopez. Second, Ono Balsao. Third, Rio, RG Bomba Malayo, and Prince Mata. Oh, wow. Whoa. Ethan Lopez on the lead. RG Bomba Malayo. Nakahanap ng butas. Oh. This is 65, round 1. Oy! Oy! Lakas uno! Wow. Uno Baltao na on the lead. Ay, sumimplang. Ahay! Sumimplang si Uno. Prince Mata na on the lead. Wow, Ethan Lopez on second, RG Bomba Malayo on third. On fourth it's Rio Remolacio. Prince Aaron Mata leading. This is 65cc class round 1. Wow. Sayang si Uno. Wow. Prince Mata, Ethan Lopez, RG Bomba Malayo, Rio Remolacio. Hindi ko alam sino itong fifth, guys. Wow. Wow. Second na, RG Bomba Malayo. Relax, Ethan Lopez. Wow, grabe. Masyadong madulas yung racetrack, guys, pero ang lakas pa rin ng mga bata. Clearing, finish line. Wala. Wow. Leading pa rin, it's Prince Aaron Mata. RG Bomba Malayo on second. Wow. Ethan Lopez and Rio Remolacio. Wow. From Mindanao yung second. Wow, grabe, Bomba Malayo. Double pa rin, triple, kahit madulas. Pero Prince Aaron Mata leading pa rin. Wow. Prince Aaron Mata on the lead. RG Bomba Malayo. Wow, Rio Remulacio versus Ethan Lopez. Yun, no? Wow, 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 wow. Battle of second, Rio Remulacio versus RJ Bomba Malayo versus Ethan Lopez. Inside, inside. Prince Aaron Mata pa rin leading. Wow. Ay, Rio! Lumipad Rio Remulacio. Ayun, uno baltaw. Sayang. Last lap, last lap, last lap. Last lap, last lap. Wow, 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 wow. Last lap, last lap. Na yan. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Waiting for checkered flag. Yun, Rio Remulacio. RJ Bomba Malayo. Oy! Nakuha si Bomba. Nakuha ni Rio. Inside. Waiting for checkered flag. Prince Mata. Second, it's Rio Remulacio. Sabi mang lupad. Checkered flag. Prince Mata. Champion on round 1 for MX65. Second, Rio. Third, Bomba Malayo. Fourth, it's Ethan Lopez. And then 6 is Uno Baltao.